Well, boys, time to start getting ready for SEMA. Alright, so the first course of action is to get some food because I'm hungry. We're gonna get some breakfast just wherever I can find something quick. Then we're gonna stop by the shop. I found a couple taco shops, so you know me, I wanna get some tacos. Yo, these fucking smack, dude. This is so good. You don't usually get cheese pulls like that on tacos. I love a good cheese pull. Alright, I'm 3 giant tacos heavier, so the walk's gonna get a little more treacherous from now. But man, those things were good. We can see the convention center from here. It's that big building in the middle. I can see the promised land from here. We're almost there. There it is, boys. Las Vegas Convention Center. Along with Bagel Mania. I'm gonna have to hit that later. Right at the entrance, we got the brand new Tundra. It looks okay, I guess. No, okay, I'm gonna say this. I hated the way that everything looked in pictures and videos. It honestly looks a lot better. This grill is like the biggest point of contention for me. It's just all of the big truck companies are going with this giant grill design, and I guess it's better for cooling, but I just don't know how I feel about it because they all just look the same now. I'm not as disappointed as I thought. Honestly, it looks pretty good. It is going to be a twin turbo V6 or a twin turbo V6 hybrid, which is really cool because that's something Toyota hasn't really done. Look at this. We can see through the wheel well right here. That's one of the turbos. It's changing my mind a little bit seeing it in person. I hated it, but it looks good. It looks good, I'll give it to them. Oh, active aero on the C8. That's insane. I could get down with that. I don't like C8s, but I could get down with that. Is that cooler back? Just so you guys can see how huge this place is. That's wild. Alright, so I just found the Prismatic Powders booth, which is a company that produces powder coat. And their powder coat is actually what is used on all of my calipers. I shouldn't say all. The ones on my IS300. You guys haven't seen the other stuff, but they're also using prismatic powders. Yo, that orange? That's kind of sick. I don't want to give anything away, but it might have something to do with that. Ooh, my boys at Fortunato are here, and they brought a beautiful FDRX7. I love this engine bay. Oh my god, you can see everything is just so nice, and you got the V-mount set up, of course. I feel like if you have an RX-7 and you aren't running V-mount, you're doing it wrong. V-mount's the only way to go on RX-7s, just because of the whole fact that the engine is so small and you have all this room up here for radiators and intercoolers. That's just awesome. And it's ducted. That's another thing. Ducted V-mounts are some of the best looking things in the world, and they actually perform, you know, like so much better than having just a regular radiator setup. Oh my god, that thing looks good. We got Cusco out here with the AE86 and a GR86. I think this is the new Pandem body kit for the GR86. I was looking at this and oh my god, that looks so good. I was really scared when I saw the original renderings of the GR86 because it honestly, it doesn't look as aggressive as the older 86 does. And I didn't think they could make it look good, but this is awesome. This is honestly so much more aggressive than I thought it could look. Even with the headlights and everything looking the way that it does, they did a great job of actually like accentuating all the lines and making this thing actually look like a good looking car. So you can see how just not aggressive this thing looks. The Pandem kit on it definitely did wonders. Is this? No. Are they messing with this? Is that a target top? Is that going to be an option? There's no way that's going to be an option. Alright, so I guess let's go check out TJ's car because we're right next to the McGuire's booth. Alright, I think I see it. Here's the Huracan. crazy exhaust, the cheapy race mate. That thing is insane. I don't know if you guys have seen the videos, but this thing spits the craziest flames. See, this is sick. I love vented hoods that actually serve a purpose. You can see in there, of course, beam out. Down in there, you can see the radiator on the bottom, of course the intercooler is up top. All the air is just coming in and straight out of those vents. It's honestly one of the reasons that I really want to build my RX-7s to something crazy like that, because they just lend themselves to it so well. My RX-7's going beam out, for sure. That's going to be a thing. Honestly, this has been like such a huge learning experience. There's so much stuff going on right now. I just went to the Turbo Smart booth, and I was talking to their reps, and they've got some crazy stuff. They've got these new electronic wastegates, which they have had electronic wastegates in the past, but they're the normal 90-degree ones. They just came out with a butterfly style one that apparently is like way faster to open than any of their other wastegates, and it's super cool. Like, it's all inline, so it flows a lot better when it opens. It seems like a really cool setup.
Old school white one.
I don't want to do it, but I could probably feel my shoe on that. Alright boys, drive shaft or no drive shaft? Drive shafts on both of them, dude. That is, what a fucking angle. Both of those have drive shafts, okay? No Bluetooth or Wi-Fi drive shafts yet. Let's see if we can find one. I think probably after the way that everybody got roasted last year, they're probably not going to do that too much. Even that one has a drive shaft. I haven't found a single one that doesn't have a drive shaft. They're trying hard this year. Check out what they got at the Lexus booth. What are they going to be unveiling? I think one of them has to be the IS500, because it's like kind of the newest thing. Crazy. I've seen so many YouTubers that like I watched. That dude who blew. I saw Sung Kang. I walked past Sung Kang, but he was like talking to a bunch of people, so I didn't really want to like go and be like, yo, Han. Right now, I think we're gonna go to the MagnaFlow booth because TJ Hunt is gonna be revealing his Streethunter wide body. So we're gonna go check that out.
I think we should go ahead and just get on with it. Let's pull the sheet back and let's reveal.
So the next generation of the Streethunter wide body just got released. Here are my thoughts. My favorite part is this roof scoop that they added. It looks super good, and I've heard from one of the guys that it's actually functional. But if that's a functional roof scoop, that's next level. If it's actually ducted into something, intake, radiator, something, it'd be sweet. This new hood, absolutely amazing. It is carbon, it is sealed. That's the one thing that I'm kind of wondering about, because I don't really know what the cooling system on a C8 looks like. So if it does have cooling system components in the front, it'd be awesome to open up these holes right there and have ducting all the way through, just like RX-7s. You know I've been going crazy about ducting today, but honestly, all in all, it looks great. I love it. Alright, so there was one build that I wanted to look for sure. There's this one guy called Jaegerbomb on Instagram that has a Lamborghini Gallardo that he's been putting together. They took the engine out of it and put a 2JZ in it. So that's something that I gotta see. Alright, I found it. This is what I was looking for. Look at that. Lamborghini Gallardo. Custom wide body kit. Cut the doors. Cut the rear end off of it. And what's in here?
This is kids for kids.
2JZ, baby. God, I love that shit. Could probably just throw that entire section away. Alright boys, we are officially leaving the first day of the SEMA show. This is an insane show. It's so huge. I cannot even put it into words how big it is because it's legit. Like, we walked around for an entire day, didn't even see like a third, maybe a quarter of everything that there is. But I went around talking to a bunch of people. It was a really good time. I saw a bunch of YouTubers that I follow. I want to go ahead and get on back to the hotel and we'll get into doing some other stuff. I'll see you guys then. And we're back. Oh God. I'm dead, dude. I'm dying. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog there. I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget.
Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and keep moving forward.